All right, finally we get an equation similar, or a problem similar to what we might see on the Algebra EOC. Again, I'm Dr. Ihrig. A scientist studied the relationship between the number of trees, X per acre, and the number of birds. You know me, I like to write notes so I don't forget. X is trees, Y is birds. She modeled the relationship with a scatter plot and used the equation of y equals 4 plus 6x. Okay, there's our graph. Let me scroll down and zoom. So it's saying, what does this mean? What's the meaning of the slope? Well, if we have y equals 4 plus 6x, we know our formula is y equals mx plus b, where b is our initial value. B is the constant. So 4 is the initial value. So if we also look over here, look at that. 4 is our y-intercept. So right away here it says y-intercept of 4. So this could be the answer. We don't know. I'm just giving it a smiley face. This says the y-intercept is 6. That's not true. This says the y-intercept is 4. That's true. And this says the y-intercept is 6. That's not true. So then it says our slope is 6. Well, that's true. So now we know we're looking between choice A and choice D. So now we're going to have to see which scenario, now that we know the right numbers, which words match our right numbers. The slope is 6. This means the average number of birds per acre in an area with no trees is 6. Well, that doesn't make much sense, because if the slope is 6, slope tells us that every time you add an extra tree, you're supposed to get 6 birds. So, because it's, even though I wrote the word bids, because the slope formula is y over x, which is birds per, I wrote bids again, birds per tree. So let's look at this. That means for every 1 tree, so that would be 1 tree, she should get 6 birds. Yeah, that's exactly the correct answer. So the correct answer is letter C. Even though letter A has the slope and the y-intercept in the correct places, it doesn't adequately describe what it means. The y-intercept is how many trees there are, is how many birds there are when there's no trees. Because that's what it is. Remember, 0 stands for trees, so no trees means the y, 4 birds. So choice C is the correct answer.